Hello, welcome to a brief installation video of the Scense workspace management environment. I have logged on to my server, mounted the ISO file, and we'll start off. We want to set up our Scense system, and we want to set up our Scense system now. Be sure, before you continue, that you set up all the prerequisites that are necessary to install this Scense environment. The setup will check if the prerequisites are met at this point. We need to agree the license agreement, and then we have to import the license. License files can be imported within 14 days after you got it. After that, you will need to ask for a new one, and you can send an email to support@appixoft.com. Your authentication code is sent with it. If you have an AppV environment, you can fill in the parameters right away at the setup. Of course, you can add those or change those parameters later. We need to tell the system where the user profiles will be. We can also directly activate Scense Live profiles for this group of users. If you want to activate or deactivate live profiles later, of course you can do that. We're going to deploy the first workstation during the setup to be absolutely sure that the system is functioning properly. We're going to do a custom installation so you can see what you can alter during the setup. We have to tell where the database server is and what the name of the database will be. In this case, the SQL server is on the same server. The database doesn't exist yet, so he will create it. Of course, if the database already existed, he would use that one. The permissions on the file share will be set to the read rights for the users and to write of the administrators. This is the same group which get the Scense Explorer, which is the admin tool of the Scense environment. This is the account the service that's running on the client is running on. If the account doesn't exist, he will create it with the given password. The file system information tells us where the installation scripts will be. Same thing for the backend server. All the information needed to set up this environment is filled in now, so we can start installing. He will install the server first, and if something goes wrong, he will do a rollback of the entire installation. Once the server installation is finished and he starts installing the workstation, he will not roll back anymore. So the server installation is finished and he will start deploying the first workstation. After that's finished, we can log on to that workstation and see if we get the admin tools delivered by the Scense system. Workstation is finished, so we can log on to that workstation now. The logon script has run, and we should have the administrative tools available to us. Because the software is not there yet, the Scense system will install the software immediately. So, we set up the Scense environment, deployed our first client, and deployed the admin tool through the Scense system. We're absolutely positive that the environment is set up properly now. Thank you for watching.